This is one more question taken from quadratic equation. Well, the question of the type this, as you can see here, the constant term itself is a quadratic polynomial. So in such a situation, what you need to do is to first factorize this quadratic polynomial. I can see that from the factors of 6, we need to obtain 1. So let's factorize it. Can factorize this as from the factors of 6, we need 1. So it's 3a minus 2a minus 6. So if you take a common, you'll get a plus 3. And if you take minus 2 common, you'll get a plus 3. So clearly it is a plus 3 and a minus 2 are its factor. Now, later you should realize on this part that we need 5x and we have to obtain 5x from the sum or difference of these two. So you have to do by hit and trial method. Well, as of now, it's very easy to find out. Just look into the constant part. We need 5. As I said, it has to be either 5 can be obtained either by the sum or difference of these two. I can see that we can obtain 5 here by the difference of these two. If you subtract the second one, this one, from this, you will get 5. So that's what we are going to do here. We're going to find it, write 5x in terms of this. So for that, I'm writing x squared as it is plus, and I'll be writing 5x as a plus 3 times x minus a minus 2 times x, and copying this constant term as we know that this we have split as a plus 3 into a minus 3. So once we write this, what we can do next is take common from the first two term. Clearly, we have x as common from the first two term. So what we'll get inside after taking x as common, we'll get x plus a plus 3. Now, as you can see, we have from the last two term, I can see a minus 2 is common. This is a minus 2. A minus 2 is common. So if I take a minus 2 as common, that is minus, there's a minus outside. So we'll be taking minus a minus 2 as common. So what we'll get inside the bracket, we'll get 1x from here. And you see that we have taken a minus common here. So this sign will get positive. So we'll be writing positive a plus 3, right, is equal to 0. Now throughout, I can see this term is common. So we'll be taking x plus a plus 3 common throughout. And the other factor we'll get as x minus, it's going to influence this sign. So a minus a plus 2. So once we get these two factors, we'll be individually equating this with 0. First equated with 0 will give you this as minus a minus 3. And this when equated with 0, that is x minus a plus 2. When it is equated with 0, we'll get x is equal to a minus 2. So clearly we got two factors. One is minus a minus 2, minus a minus 3, and the other is a minus 2. So this is how this question can be done here. Well, a few things you have to keep in mind that whenever you get this kind of questions where the constant itself is a polynomial, then we need to factorize this first. And from the two factors obtained, you just have to look for this middle term. It must be either from the sum or difference. There is no third way. It must be obtained by the sum or the difference of these